design. Exterior design. 1. Body shape and structure. Aerodynamic design. The car features a sleek, aerodynamic profile with smooth curves and sharp lines to reduce air resistance and improve performance. Low ground clearance. Designed for better stability and a sporty appearance. 2. Material and finish. Glossy metallic finish, a reflective, high-quality metallic paint that enhances the car's luxurious appeal. Carbon fiber elements. Lightweight carbon fiber accents on the hood, side skirts, and rear diffuser for improved performance and a futuristic aesthetic. 3. Lighting system. Slim LED headlights. Ultra-thin, angular LED lights that offer bright illumination and a modern look. Dynamic tail lights. Flowing LED tail lights with an animated lighting sequence, enhancing visibility and style. Ambient underglow lighting. Soft LED lighting under the car for a futuristic and eye-catching effect. 4. Wheels and tires. Custom alloy wheels. Large, multi-spoke alloy rims with a polished chrome finish. Low-profile tires. High performance, low-profile tires designed for grip and agility. 5. Doors and entry. Gullwing/butterfly doors. Unique upward opening doors for a dramatic entrance. Keyless entry system. Touch-sensitive panels and biometric access for enhanced security. 6. Rear design. Integrated spoiler. An active aerodynamic spoiler that adjusts to improve handling at high speeds. Dual exhaust system. Chrome-finished exhaust tips integrated seamlessly into the rear bumper. Interior design. 1. Cabin layout. Driver-centric cockpit. A futuristic, minimalist dashboard focused on the driver's comfort and control. Spacious cabin. Premium leather and Alcantara surfaces for a luxurious feel. 2. Seats. Ergonomic bucket seats. Sporty, leather-wrapped seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Memory system. Adjustable seats with memory settings for multiple drivers. 3. Dashboard and controls. Digital instrument cluster. A fully customizable, high-resolution digital display providing navigation, speed, and performance data. Touchscreen interface. A large central infotainment touchscreen with haptic feedback and voice command capabilities. 4. Materials and lighting. Premium materials. A mix of soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber trim. Ambient lighting. Customizable LED ambient lighting throughout the cabin with multiple color options. 5. Technology and connectivity. AI-powered assistant. Voice-activated AI for controlling navigation, media, and climate settings. Wireless charging and connectivity. Multiple charging pads and seamless smartphone integration. 6. Comfort and climate control. Quad-zone climate control. Personalized temperature settings for each passenger. Noise cancellation. Active noise-canceling technology for a quiet, comfortable ride. 7. Sound system. Premium audio system. A high-fidelity surround sound system with multiple speakers positioned for an immersive experience.